it's supposed to feel.
All right, boys. This is here's the link, I think. We will find it here. Hold on. There you go. Here's the link. Okay. So if any of you guys want to be on YouTube, speak up. Or forever hold your peace. Because I think it will capture your voice here. I could turn it off. Hey, Mr. Dirk. Nice to see you, buddy. Doing very well. I am live streaming from the Discord here in garbage time. How are you doing, man? Yeah, I'm on YouTube. Harshal, if you join on YouTube, you'll be forever memorialized with the Japanese anime girl voice. Come on, Harshal, meme it out. Impossible, Noob Man. It's closed. No people with the name Noob. Can't do it. Oh. Yes. Yes, I would. Oh, man. Hey, Noob Man, what just happened here was chicken dinner, right? Was that chicken dinner? Yep. Apple, peaches, pumpkin pie. No, HS, I don't. Mm-mm. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're killing me, Harshville. Oh my gosh. Make Mr. G. Oh, I have the YouTube closed, I think. Yo, Mr. RJ, what's cracking, buddy? How are you, buddy? Ah, man. Nice, man. I saw it. I just I've been trading. So, you know. You know, brother man. Hmm. You know what? I'm gonna have to do a video call with you, um, with Sophia. She is 17 and a half months old, and she would love it, man. She would love it. So would Ben. Oh, she has a little cutie pie. Now that you're on, okay. I'll find one, buddy. All right, RJ. Check your DMs on Skillet. Oh, she's good, man. She's great. Right? Yeah, she is just. Hey, you should see Ben, the size of Ben. Oh my gosh. Chicken dinner. Chicken dinner. Chicken dinner. HS chicken dinner. You see it? You see it? Chicken dinner? Hey, sweet. Do you see the difference in the tools that we have? Yeah, it's crazy. It is a little nuts. Nutsoid. Because now you see something on your execution, right? So it's not just the other. Yeah. Ben is huge. He's still really tall. He's exceptionally tall. Um, no, it's not. It is not. Yeah, I do think 53 MNQ points now. See, there it goes. And then you see how you see how you see some at 46, 44s? Yes, no, maybe so. No. I actually think right now, got to change your mind here. That we have something like this going on. There you go. Chart in the chat. Reasonable to assume that may happen. Although, chicken dinner. And maybe you get chicken dinner first. I mean, so you get the impulse first, then the chicken dinner. Does that make sense? What time is it right now, too? 11? So just after 2. Still pushing a ladder. Does that mean you have a different place? Okay, no problem. No problem. You know what's interesting is look at the E-mini. The one we just got has sucked in some people. Yep. You're killing me, Small. Oh my gosh. Oh man. 93 ticks. 93 points on the wall. 93 points on the wall. Take 'em down. That's what it is right now, 93. Ah, I should have a like a P&L thing or something on there. What is it? Trade management study, I think. Chicken dinner. I'm looking for this here. Hold on. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Um, Hey guys, just consider the planets right now. Okay? Yep. You got it, HS. Not me. And also look here. That's not right either. Bummer. No, no, still not. I'm not using the Elgato anymore. Well, I mean, I use it, but not for trading. I had too many weird things happen, man. Yeah. Unfortunately. I'm not even paying attention, actually. So, what the, this is the problem. All right, let's see. Two. That's the one. Let's see. Now it'll work. That's more like it. So it just Gary's willingness to run over size is high. You see that? That's right. That's right. But the planet is still creating its own gravity field. But the willingness of Gary to move it is second to none. So, do you notice the magical line there on the execution chart? That's gravity. In my opinion, that's gravity. And then what does it form on the 200? Complex retracement. Yeah, well, there you go. Yeah, I see it. I see it. Yeah, you're looking more short term. You know, it makes me want to stay in. Anyway, this is the tally since I've been streaming here. Let's see if we could, right there. I had to adjust it for contracts, get it off. So it's not NQ, it's MNQ. That's well, how long is the video right now? I don't know. Let's see. It's over an hour, dude. We could say if NQ, this would be 2000. It didn't. No, I'm just whatever. So right here, right now, you see how the formation looks on the 200? That to me is not sucked enough people in. It may break down, but it has not done its job. And its job is to suck as many dummies in as possible. Yeah. So we won't, I'm not going to advertise, right? Well, don't advertise that. But the job of Gary is to suck as many people in to roll them. Yeah, I think so. Notice on this chart here that magical line. That is saying come to me. Right there. Chart in the chat. That is saying come to me. It's beckoning, saying, "Oh, yeah, you're in profit from there. Come to Papito." Now, if you go down first, it's directional, right? You go up first. All right, well, Gary wants it where he wants it. You go down first, then you probably go back there. Regardless, the extremes are the way to put on risk. I don't like the middle here between those two extremes. Between the combo and the yellow magic line, Papito says no-go zone. All right, so he's deciding down. All right, that's fine. That's right. That's right. Would you bet on it then? From here, given what's below, would you bet on it? Oh, that's interesting. I would not bet on it from here. Okay. I'm going to take your... Do you like that? Ah, son of a... All right. Well, that's okay. Is that what you like? Okay. I see. Yeah. No, I hear you. I don't think it's enough. So I don't think it's enough consolidation, personally. I think it's going to get roasted. I could be wrong. What I would have liked here is for this area to extend out twice as far to about there in terms of volume. Look. There. That's where I'd want it. Then I think we get the magic line. It's all context dependent, my friend. Let's see how we're pushing back. It's not enough because Gary needs enough. So when it breaks out, you say, oh, well, I'm out. These little movements matter. In a time frame bar, 5-minute bar, you'll actually pick up on it the more you watch it, those oscillations. It's kind of cool. All right, now might be creating. I actually think it's gonna go reach out and touch somebody now. Might be enough. Also notice on the micro time frame, elevated RS. Yep. But it's getting tight, so I have nothing. Got nothing here. Range, top of. Now top of. See that? There's an algorithmic seller there. You see it? Just comes right in. Well, there's actually two of them, 85s and 78s. Yeah, I mean, that's King Kong. So that's what matters. And if you go look at Gex at the moment, that thing is relevant. Now, if there's still unwinding happening because of OPEX, and there might be, then those deltas act like a gravity point. But anything below that, I mean, where's it going to go? And think about the last few days. How many dip buyers are there going to be? Think about the last week. Exactly. So you want to keep that in mind. So you're not in the hole going, oh, look, I'm over here diddling about 5 points when there's 30 on the table. And your higher time frame location is crap. So just being aware of that is really, really key. And that's why just looking at this chart, not that useful. Completely myopic. Yeah, man, write it down. You know, I'm going to have to do more of this for you guys because I think it helps in a different way. What do you think? Yeah? Can I get a vote? It does. Yeah, I'll just put them on Vimeo. More streams like this for you guys on Vimeo. That's what we're voting for. Because look, there's garbage time. And sometimes during garbage time, it's like, I'm just shooting it with you guys. The problem is, guys, I don't. That's what I'm thinking. So the problem is I don't want to turn into a signal service for you guys. I want you guys thinking it through. But if this helps for you guys, like thinking it through, and I can just mark it up with like Epic Pen or something, and do multiple screens, including the execution screen, that might help. Yeah. Just stream it right into Vimeo because we can. Eh, it's up to you guys. I don't know. It probably would. And I enjoy it. It's as long as you guys are getting involved, though. Because, look, I mean, it's Friday afternoon. It's all the good stuff already happened today, in my opinion. The big moves, all the opening drive setups, they're done. Yeah, so Michael, uh, definitely today, go look at that half gap setup, that video. We traded that because of that 97% stat that Arnie put out. 100% Arnie stat. Absolutely. It was the perfect setup for I'll put it in chat. And that there's a video for that. And that is why we traded it this morning. And it worked out better than we could have imagined, right? So my target off the open was 83. I mean, but look at we're way down here, right? And we ended up going much further. So once I realized that it's not just a half gap, it's the 97% stat. When I realized that, I was like, shooting myself in the foot. Because I mean I basically gave it all I gave it up to T1. All the profit back to that. And that's a 97%. There goes Gary. You see that? He had to build the volume there. Yeah. Yep.
Hey, Mike, what do you think about this 261 bid down there? Do you get any significance from that
Oh yeah.
on MQ?
Yep. I do. Let
Or
me
what is it?
let me turn off the desktop audio. I'm actually streaming to YouTube. So as much as I want to be super open about it, it involves a whole strategy. So let me mute myself and I will give you a long response, my friend. Give me a sec. All right. Cool. And notice HS. You notice it's at the magic line. Did you notice that? The better trade would have been the E-mini. Honestly. Yeah. Do you want to know? Or I did take it on the E-mini. But I got out at the top yellow line. Yeah, thanks, man. So making the real skrill. It's just better with Gex. So now chicken dinner, right? Oh, dude, it's incredible, isn't it? I mean, and what we're looking at, boys, is this, right? You're looking at this down here. You see that extension? I mean, honestly, how do you get such a money trade without that? Honestly. So you see you have the doubles down there? Okay, now chicken dinner. See, so he is using the structure of the market to go hunt liquidity, all based on what we know. That is exactly what's happening right now. It is programmed into the great server. See that? You see tag it? See the reaction on the E-mini? Look. Yep. Live, baby. Only thing that matters is that hard red edge right there. Does it have predictability? If yes, great. If no, dump it. Yeah, I got a bunch of other charts, Otto. No room. Plus, Otto, I've got some back tested stuff on other charts that members pay for. So we're just talking about in real time how this thing bounces off these levels automatically. And I'm in a Discord, so I'm talking to people. That's what's happening. And the market got a little frothy around the time. So I'm trading E-mini on another screen, and the market got a little frothy around the time I thought it was garbage time. But we've been trading down to these levels somewhat today. Chicken dinner, by the way, on NASDAQ. Chicken dinner. Notice it again? Yeah. So you guys go rewatch that video. I mean, there's 4 of them, right? Go rewatch them because you could see that they're predictive, aren't they? Yep. Yeah, it's power hour, man. And I expect I expect on the E-mini, what we have on the 30-minute is this. Check it out. Anybody notice what we have on the E-mini right now? Anybody? On the 30? What is that? And I see what you see to the left. Nope, nope, nope. Bam, we'll get it. That's it. Boom. I mean, it is picture perfect into what? So you're at you're at the rot into prior structure a little bit more. What's at the prior structure that we see? You see that? You see that 930 bar from yeah. Okay. So chicken dinner and then boingalicious. And then it also lines up with L4. Confluence, baby. Yeah, Otto. Sorry. Yeah. You're not going to beat me on this, Harshul. Oh, man. Oh, so look, if you're looking at high time frame, guys, it's not a bad setup. It's not a bad setup. And think about it from the perspective of options. Go sell some puts there. You say, but it's down. Go sell some puts. Think about puts and then think about theta over the weekend. And you know, Monday is a holiday day, right? I think. So you go sell puts, go collect it. Why would you do that? Yeah. Why would you do that? Because they're juiced right now, number one. Number two, theta. Number three, support. See how that works? So not only are you taking the 68.2% probability that they expire worthless, but you're also getting support. So what's your probability of winning? 80% more or more? Yeah, it is closer to that. Although recently on the call side I lost. So but I don't lose that much because I'm taking the gorilla side. That's why. And when they're juiced, they can go against you directionally for quite a while and you can still collect. As long as the move isn't too much of a ripper. Yeah, but the 30-minute still good. And there's confluence. So Bam, what would you sell them on the 30-minute? What type of time frame are you looking for? So let's, if you're selling 30-minute, are they 4-day expiration? 5-day? So from today, 7-day, right? Yep. You're not doing 2 weeks. That's different time frame. Keep in mind, okay, guys, on the note, on the ES, check it out, chart in the chat. Remember that note I put in on the daily? Right there. Okay, a little bit lower. Notice we've got, what do we have? Resting. Other people are thinking the exact same thing. Higher time frame though. Exact same thing as I put out this morning. Now, remember 10 tick rule off the resting, okay? Place smaller, adjust size. Here goes. So these boys are looking to fill the same exact concept here. And notice the 14 on the sell side. All the way up. Gary expects it. You notice that? Where does it end on the upside? They're still driving it. They're still driving it. These guys want those fills, okay? But look at 650. You guys see it? Yep. They're still actually refreshing here. But that 8/16/2022, that location on a for OTFs is magic. So I'm just telling you guys. OTFs care about that stuff. And we have 44 minutes left. All right. So hesitation. Look at the MBO. You see it? Whoop, whoop. Add it. Rip it. They want it. Now look above. Magic lines. See that? See that? Boom. Right to the yellow. Heading like a rocket ship back. All right, so I'm scaling out. That's +3 for me. Why? Because I wanted everything below that. Give it to me, baby. All right, I think it might be over. Check it out. You see the size player come in? Look. They're going to accumulate that. They want more here. If they want more, how are they going to get more? Think about it. How are they going to get more if they want more? Exactly. But what do you know? If you think like them, you know they want more. Why? Structure, baby. And you gotta buy there. Why? Because if you're short from there, you're squeezed. Think about it on the higher time frame. Yeah. On the daily. Yep. So look, they're already eager again. Look, just like that. You see it? You see how eager? Yep. It's in the MBO right now. You can literally ES. All ES. Yeah, same thing, but I'm focused on ES because ES has got the level. Also, now go look at Gex, right? Live Gex. Check it out. Chart in the chat. If you don't think that that is relevant, the last line, if you don't think that that's relevant, I've got something to sell you. See it? Whoosh! Give it to me. Give it to me. Roll me. This is TP. Toilet paper. Roll me, baby. Yep. No problem. So now what's the next level? 65s? What's there? What's at 61s? What's at 63s? See it? Do you see it? Nobody else sees that. Remember, nobody has figured that out. Exactly. So you know what happened there when it pushed down. It's not magic, it's understanding the structure of the market and then getting an indicator that tells you what happened there earlier. And again, you play against the least the the greatest common denominator, which is weak players. So, did you see the 650 once in? That was moved up, by the way. That's a dum-dum. But OTF nonetheless. Just not all OTFs are smart. Okay? Some just play with tremendous size, but they are showing their hand right now. You see that? That 650? Yeah? No? Huh? Huh? Yeah. Maybe. You guys see it? You're like, I'm trading bad, damn it. Yeah. Everyone says, yes, I'm in trades. Why? Because the line. Because the double fill lines, right? Oh, dude. SB, do you have MPO? Probably not. Oh, you do. Yeah. So look at an MBO. You see first in queue, 650, 14, 26. Yeah, 650. That's what I'm talking about. That was moved up. I've been tracking the 650. Remember what I said about cows earlier? Were you around when I was talking about cows and auctions? I think you were in trades. I think you were muted. Yeah, same thing. Cows, baby. All right, here it goes. Boing! Dum Dum. Dum Dum says, I want it here and now. I just can't help myself. It look, Robert, it was basically um, market auction from the perspective of buying and selling cows. And then I also did burgers. Burgers, yeah, I know. Now notice what the note says, guys. See, it says retest if from above. If you were a great patient swing trader, you could have held. Think about that. Yeah, I'm not this is the area that I could be much better in. I mean, much better. The thing is I'm not that sad about it because I turn over my edge fast. And on most days that pays me better. Honestly. I'm outperforming the trend by if you're on my game 300% or something. Yeah, I'm not looking at YouTube right now, dude. I'm looking at the charts and the Discord. No, I'm not. I am not scalping at the moment. I've stopped my E-mini trading since those lows. Oh yeah. Exactly, Sir Robert. That's exactly right. If you're trading on the money, absolutely. Yep. Uh, Al Brooks said something. See, look at this guy. All right, Dum Dum got filled, but look, they still want it lower. So I don't think he's that smart. I don't think this is not a scalper, right? This is somebody, this is OTF impatient, and they are absolutely chomping at the bit. That's what I think. It didn't get to them. They moved it up. Oh, I think he thinks nothing of 5 points. But what's important is it tells you about the nature of the player and how motivated they are to actually get in. Eager, exactly. Yep, thank you. The non-native English speakers owning me at English. Good job, buddy. I'll never talk about your slow typing ever again, that it's so slow. Oh, jeez. So, look, I just want to point this out to you guys with these yellow lines, right? You see how we're going back, cleaning everything up? Keep zoomed out. There's potential for a break to 58 or 57 and then a flip. Why? Because that would be, I'll put it in chat. Can't beat me, Harshul. Oh, man. The YouTube has given me some energy, guys. It is more interesting calling it at the hard right edge, where bullshit is either exposed, people are either exposed as full of garbage, or you know what you're talking about. That's why I like it. Ain't no faking it. Thank you. Thank you for that. I'm going to take a look right now. Oh, it's such a nice chart, man. Oh, they're puking. Are they puking? That is based 0 DTE. Okay, thanks. Not yet? You don't think that was a puke? Come on, baby. So, by the way, maybe not. You might be right. This is what the profile looks like. And this, so okay, here we are, right? You see how it's the whole structure is leaning right. Okay. OTFs get a double dip. See that? It's like a program turns on. You see it? Do you see the algorithmic play? Yes, no, maybe so. Okay, cool. Wait, because they want, look at the tape. They want size. Look at the tape. The tape, is there any size? They want size on the ask. They don't want size on the bid. They want size on the ask. And that's why I always say at lows, there's got to be some sucker that comes in on the ask and says, I can't take it. Because they are smarter. They are waiting for that capitulation. Yep. Yep. See it? Little ice. Yeah. You see it. You see it rolling through? Boom, 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 boom. Now they're interested because they're getting their fill. They say, oh, we get a buy against you? Ha ha. Okay, right back up to the yellow line. Fixing structure. Gary cares about this structure. Why? Who do you think put their stops up there on that aggressive? So, do you know that there are people that measure pace of tape there and say, everything that was on the bid got hit. And their algos click on and they go for it. When it goes back to break even, what do you think they do? Chicken dinner. Yeah, look, there's people playing with bots automatically measuring this all over the place. How do I know that? Because of members who've been here that know people that do that and told us specific names. So notice the structure, guys. Notice the structure here on NAS. Okay? Notice it. Retest time. See that? Yep. It's perfect. But it's perfect not in the way that most people think of it. Thanks, man. Maybe it's Friday. I don't know. You know, on Fridays, Sean, I get a little sad that I don't have. Oh, was it? Yeah, so what's going on under the hood there is I get a little sad that I know Saturday, Sunday, and now I know Monday is not going to be active. I'm actually sad about that because I love doing this. So, yeah, Monday is, I don't know, something. All I wanted on the yeah, no shit. All I wanted on this MNQ guys just now on screen was $400. That was the OCD in me. We knew where to get it. We knew where to find it. You'll see it in about 20 seconds, Harshal. Did you see where I took the long? And why? Yep. Oh, man. I'm at 401.76. So when you guys hear me arguing about, dude, I gotta get to a century marker, an even number, I'm usually internally going, oh, here we go. Magic line, baby. Magic line. Let's go get it. 24. Come on. 24, 7. I should have been more patient, but, what can I say? $24 is chicken dinner. And Nazi poo poo. 24 chicken dinner. Come on, baby. Wabba balooba balop bop bang. Maybe. It's close. There they go. There they go. Absorption. Size. OTF says, give it to me. Give it to me. You're passive. I'm aggressive. All right. Pink circle. Let's see if there's aggression here on Nazi Poo. Oh, thanks for that, Robert. Oh, how interesting. Here it goes. You see the pink circle fill, guys, on the NAS? Now followed by aggression. You see that? That's what you're looking for. Now 24. Chicken dinner. See how you trade back to them? What do we know? Why is it a magnet? There it goes, 24 to the tick. Why is it a magnet? Why? Someone explain it. But why? Why? What does that mean? I ain't going to say it on YouTube. So. Exactly. Whoever was there that was on now on the wrong side of the trade is saying, get me out. And they drive it there. That is why the market yings and yangs. Once you figure that oscillation out through the indicators you need, it works. And it works that beautifully. Okay? So look at that. Look at that. Spew it opposite direction. See that? Into, trade out of. So it's just the same stuff I keep repeating, but it's probably more useful now that you guys all have my charts up on screen. Yeah. You can't see it without having my charts up. Because the settings are, you guys are the only ones that have them. Yeah, I'll have to do more Vimeos on that. Yep, I will. Well, I think it gives confidence, right? It gives confidence that it actually is predictable, right? And when it's not working, you got to say, okay, something is different today. That value might be different on a different day. But for the most part, over a higher backtesting period, I've made it as relevant for as many days as possible, which is why I've set it the way I've set it. And that's the value. You don't want to give it out to anybody. Because it's not the indicator, it's how you set the indicators and understand them in context to the way the markets are moving with the liquidity that's resting. And most people just don't. They think they can go buy some off-the-shelf thing that works forever. It's just not how it works. So when you understand it fully, you can go set that and backtest it. It takes time, right? It took me a few hours of just tinkering with it. But then I know it works under certain liquidity conditions. Yeah, I'm the same way, SB. And I was the same way in school, right? You've got to understand, like in math class, I used to irritate the crap out of my teachers. I'm like, why? They're like, this is the rule. I'm like, but why? And I used to get like C's and D's because of it. I hated it. I had bad teachers. They didn't want to explain anything. Oh, thanks, Teddy. I appreciate that. Yep. So look, you only get the money printer if you understand. Because then you can replicate it through understanding. That's the only way to understand markets. And to be consistent over time is to understand them. So that you can cast the line yourself. And play with defined risk and all the risk management stuff that you guys know, right? All the Monte Carlo stuff that I spend weeks and weeks talking about. I did a good 1 hour Monte Carlo rant again today. I don't know if you were around, Robert. Thank you. Oh, yeah, you were. Okay. Yeah. With examples, yeah. Yeah. I know these are the days you guys wish that it was a recording of the whole day so that you can go back and listen. I know. I know. But remember what my goal is here. My goal here is to interact with you guys. If I put everything on a recording, everything, guess what? I'm not going to be able to sift out the people that want to be around and trade with me for a long time, which is why the group max is 100. I don't want too many people in here. Otherwise, you're just redistributing your edge. Right now, a lot less than that. But, you know, I don't let I'll tell people, "Hey, I don't think you're a good fit." Whatever. It's not just an open group. If I know you've been a jerk to me in the past, or, you know, you've got some weird interest, I'm like, not interested. Which is why it's nice that it's on me 6, because on me 6 I can just shut it down. Yeah, SB, whenever you mute us or mute me, I'm like, yeah, go buddy. And I even said it today. I said, hey, I think SB's in trades. Good for him. And I actually did a little spiel on it. Yeah, I did a little spiel on it. I was like, you know, he's probably muting because he's in trades. That you guys should do the same thing. And I need to do that more too, because there's sometimes when the market's moving so fast that to hear anybody or anything, you just got to turn it off. Yeah, Harshul, I appreciate that, but everybody's different. Yeah, everybody's different. Whatever works for you, right? Amin is like, he's in a trade, he gets anxious, and I'm over here talking about the market looks like it's going down, and he's long, and he's taking a scalp. And so as I talk about my short, he's like, dude, now I want to get out of my position. And he changes his thesis. He's got to turn that off. So yeah, you're going to miss stuff. Who cares? I'm the same every day, every week. I talk and I talk and I talk and I talk about markets. And the more you guys get involved, the more I talk, the more I'm interested, the more I want to take trades and explain stuff. So the fact that all of you guys are so interested in community and so active in chat right now, it lights a fire under me. It's not going to change. You know, good trading is constant analysis. And as soon as you get stuck in the same approach to the market every day, is the moment that your performance is going to drop when regime change occurs. When regime change occurs and you're still doing the same old, and you haven't adapted, you're going to be like, this piece of crap indicator I bought for, let's say, whatever, $1,000, $700, $500, that's been back tested for 3 days or 2 weeks, or even only 1 month in a bull market. You dumb. Don't you know you're playing against the smartest, the best traders and algos in the world? Keep up. It doesn't just stay the same. We're going to be back at VIX 30 at some point. And everyone who just started trading is going to be losing their minds. They're not going to know how to place their stops. They're not even going to have a pre-configured anything. You know, why do you think the pre-configuration, the configuration that you guys all have in there, NASDAQ, 16-point take profit, 8-point stop loss. 20-point take profit, 10-point stop loss. 12 and 18-point take profit, 10-point stop loss. 18 and 24 take profit, 12-point stop loss. 36-point take profit, 24-point stop loss. Trigger trail stop after so much in profit to lock in 1R. Why do you think that exists? You aren't using it now, but you are gonna use it at some point, and it's gonna be predefined for you. That's why those buttons are there. Thank you, Robert. I'm not trading it. There's too many incomplete auctions all over the place. Yeah. What would be your prediction? That's right. Yep, that's it, baby. I should do that too, actually. Hit the Lockola button. Boom. I'm right there with you, brother. Yeah, it's tuition to the market, man. So look, all the buttons that are in there in the configuration, they're there for a reason. They're not there because they won't be used. They are there for a reason. Even the flatten button, the way I have it configured, you notice? Ah, yeah. There's a lot of buttons, like the break even button. You notice that's not in there? There's a reason for that. Yeah, it's evil. Harsh, Robert, remember the end of the Gex setup? It works better on the put side. Context dependent means that in this kind of market on first day pullbacks, it's even more likely to work because think about the hands that hold those. Jelly. How much time do we have here? Yeah, we're getting close. Rebalancing algo in 1 minute. Let's go take a look here. I think I can go listen and get a first. I can get a first take on the MOC. I can hear it live here. Give me a sec. I'm turning it on. Harshul, what if I told you I already sold some and they're already paying like insanely because they were juiced? Everybody wanted them. Now, the ones that I sold are only up 20 bucks each. But you can still close them. Yeah, look, everybody's talking that for next week due to OPEX. Market MOC 254. 1.2 billion buy side MOC. Let's see what the reaction is. What matters oh, baby. Oh, it's hard for me not to trade right now. Hands off the wheel, baby. OTF say, give it to me. Oh. Are you really? Are you really? Oh man, I got the lock thing on, so it's not working for me. Yeah.
The dudes that had to tie themselves to the sailboat, right?
Uh-huh.
The post
Yep.
because of the ladies that were singing. It's funny.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, dude, look at the yellow line. Don't say too much. You're on candid camera. Oh, dude. You're going to be immortalized on YouTube. I mean, say as much as you want, but just don't say too much about what's happening. Hey, there's some investigative little dudes around. They're like, hey, what is TYP using? I'll copy it. No, no, no. That's the scalp trade that I wanted, Harshul, right there. Yeah, buddy. Good job.
Back to BWC.
Right? Yeah, short term. I saw it. Yeah. All that bid side liquidity still hasn't filled. I'm gonna keep an eye on it here though. They've been sitting, waiting patiently. They say, "Come get me." Oh, dude. I actually tried to click on the MNQs just now. The lock got me. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, baby, nice trades. Wow. You the man, Robert. Good job, dude. Seriously. So white is profit, right? What's Yeah, okay. Nice. All right, there's a planet. Now, notice Nasdaq. You guys see that extension? Look lower. Kind of move it up on the execution chart. All right, so we have a planet. We got the magic mic. So there's an opportunity if the magic mics on the downside for the E-mini are the gravity points that the Nasdaq hits its extension, and then it's also super relevant from there. And then after the fact, you get a bunch of people wanting to 100%, and that's the best time. 100%, brother. You know what you'll also notice is the value, if you sell them, will go really, really high at the close. There they goes. There it goes. Five minutes left. The magic lines, baby. They say, suck me in. Hence why you trade towards them, then away. If between now and then it doesn't happen, okay, then cut it. If you can't put on a trade with good R's, then cut it. Wait for the line then. Because it is mainly about your reward relative to where you're placing your risk. That's the most important thing here. Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh man. I've actually it's all right. It's so hard. It's so hard not to. All right. I'm unclicking it here. Teddy, so that is probably one of the most highly contextualized and fake out piece of information that the market has at that time every single day. Yeah. So I would suggest don't. For now, I would just suggest don't. And that's why we all inform each other. Is because we don't want to be in trades at that time. It just doesn't. There's so much that goes on there because it's the MOC is it's related. So yeah, it's a long conversation, man, on a Friday afternoon. But you got to remember it's related to Gex. So the interplay there is important. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Herschel. Yeah, I don't. Whatever. It's Friday afternoon. I'm just chilling out. Notice the E-mini left something below, right? Let's see. All right, coming into interesting point here on the Nazi poop. What's this? Oh, how interesting. Yeah, I see. Okay. Noob man, you've harassed me on here for long enough. That's a no. That's a sorry, buddy. Mr. Noob man on YouTube. All right. You're going to get put in timeout. You've been spamming me a little too much. Let's see. Put user in timeout. All right. Sorry. All right. Period. Here it comes. Oh, this is my favorite part of the day. Just my favorite part of the day. All right. Watch for Christmas tree. You see him? Boom. You see the 700 there? Whoop. There it is. Three, two, one. Oh! Look at it. Look at the OTFs come in. Boom. Boom, chickadee boom. Look at it. Look at it. Oh! Oh, it's too funny. It's just too funny. That one is a. I gotta look close. 90th percentile, boys. So we're gonna have more 97% probabilities in our future, my friends. Think about that. So that back test, more 97%ers in our future. That's exactly what I start thinking about now. is, ooh, we get to go back to it. Yeah, buddy. See? See? Defense. Defense. Wop baba loop bop ba lop bop bang. Mm. Dude. Chicken dinner. I know. I do see chicken dinner as well. Chicken dinner. Also, you have Magic Mike's lines. Let's see how that goes. All right. Boys, enjoy your weekend.
Thanks, Mike.
Yeah, man.
That was awesome today.
Thanks, man.
Have a great weekend as well.
All right, you too, man.
Don't be too sad about Monday.
Yeah, more family time. What are you gonna do?
That's true.
More family time.
Yeah, enjoy. Thanks, man.
All right, buddy. Have a great weekend.
You too.
All right.
Thanks.
See ya.
Everybody else as well.
All right, thanks, man.